Hello everyone and welcome back again. So after pulling out the garlic from these baskets, I thought I didn't really want to waste much time. I want to get something else planted in their place, and I thought I've got loads of spare plants, leftovers, and a bit of a mixture of different things. So we're going to plant a few different things in these first three and see how everything gets on. So we've got a couple of cosmos plants. We'll put one of those in each. We've got one nasturtium left over. We'll pop that in the corner over here. We've got some Corno de Toro peppers, some Crown Prince squash, and some Zabroon shallots that are grown from seed. It never got planted out. So thinking cosmos there, peppers in the centre. All I've done with these is top them up with a couple of inches of fresh compost. Haven't added any manure or fertilisers or anything like that. These beds were replenished not that long ago. Two of them. One here, one here. Trying to mix it up a bit and get a few different things planted together. Just add a bit of colour and a bit of something different. So these are Crown Prince squash. These are actually saved seed from one that we went to pick last year when we went pumpkin picking. We picked one of the blue ones and I kept a handful of seeds out of it. I did 2 of these trays and every one germinated. So I am going to have a few of them dotted about the garden, just in and around. 3 of these left. I'll stick all 3 of these in here. The Zabroon shallots, I must have done 3 or 4 sowings of them, and eventually we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants, probably out of about 3 different packs. But it's good to never give up and keep trying. Eventually you'll get something. Go and have a look, see if I've got anything else that can fill up the rest of this. I'm sure I've got some red onions there somewhere. So I do have another tray of onions. I was planning on taking these down to the allotment, but I haven't had time. So we've got a mixture in here. We've got a couple of red ones. They are Red Baron, and a couple of Fasto. These ones are from Medwins of Anglesey. Do have a load of these planted out round the back. Like I say, these were spares, just what I had extra. and I was going to take them to the allotment, but they can go in there instead. Right, so that is those 3 baskets planted up. Give these a good watering tonight. But we've got a mixture of different things in here. We've got flowers, vegetables, fruit. Don't know how they're going to perform, especially the peppers. Like I say, not really grown them outside before, so I don't know how they'll handle. But they are all spare plants. We do have plenty of others in the polytunnels. Between both polytunnels, we've got probably another 20 or 30 peppers planted up. So if these don't do anything, it is no loss on my behalf. They've just taken up a little bit of space, but we've also got the flowers in just to help bring in a bit of colour and attract those beneficial insects. We do have another 3 baskets here. I'm thinking I'm probably going to use some of the compost out of these to put on the single seed potato cuttings. But if there's any left over, we'll do another basket or 2, depending on how much room we've got and how much stuff we've got left over. But for this video, guys, that's going to be it for me today. Just like to say a massive thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment below. Bye for now. Ooh, you might as well go in here. You might as well go back there. Chance it, chance it, chance it. You never know. Well, that's a few trays less to worry about watering every day.